Schools should start having carts like grocery stores. When life knocks you down, it's time to get back up. And turn your pants into a backpack. Fill it up. I wonder if it can help with posture. Hey, don't forget your basketball. In art class, you can experiment with all sorts of mediums. If only the school bought materials from this century. Wow, it's in color, and they throw in a free dress. Pink is his color. An X-ray, too. Now that's a bargain. Guess someone's on gum duty. Probably should wear gloves. Ouch! A splinter! All the more reason to wear gloves. But we're prepared. This pump will take care of it in a pinch. Let's hope it works on pimples, too. Ugh, that's a lot of pus. Of course, these pimples might need something a little stronger. A pencil? Oh, what's he gonna do, erase them? Well, cut it up. Excuse me, need to borrow this. Thank you, much obliged. Now we can give our heart some color. It's a stamp. Make sure to make all of your favorite shapes. Well, excuse me. Do you get fries with all of that shake? Here's an easy fix. Make her pay for a new one. But let's use our heads. Aha! Inspiration strikes! Let's glue some coils on the back of a phone. Now it has a little bounce when it falls on its back.
Wow!
One problem solved. Got any ideas for this? It's always good to see your friends in school. But a little personal space and mouthwash go a long way. He's like an aspiring dentist. He even has plaque tablets. Just keep chewing until everything's nice and blue. But we can't beat a good brushing either. Don't forget to give your pearly whites a rinse. Now show off your new smile. Probably can take out those metal things. Geometry time! Let's see if you can draw a circle. Wow, I thought things get easier with practice. Okay, it's time to switch things. Take some elastic. Keep one end down and draw away. Yeah, that's good for chalkboards, but what about smaller circles? Simple. Use a paper clip instead. Just keep one end down and a circle is a spin away. The circles never have to end, unless you run out of paper. Taking good notes can help you do well in school. But you really shouldn't have them out on test day. Unless it's one of those open note tests. Those are great. Little does she realize those were the decoys. They always forget the hidden shoe compartments, and that's plural. Gotta love platform shoes. Bigger they are, more you can hide. Hey, save some pencil for class. Ugh, slimy. Sure you want to lend him your pen? Oh, it's not a pen, it's an ear cleaner. Well, hope it works on noses. The best part, it gives you a good look inside. Man, what an age to finally see inside your own nose. But let's make sure it lives up to its name. Don't forget the cleaning part either. Well, that should wake him up. Or not. Okay, things are getting serious when the chicken doesn't help. Stickers? Hope they're less obvious than those fake eye specs. Kinda spooky. But I guess he needs his rest. Probably shouldn't use it if you tend to snore. Good thing he's a kindred spirit. But something tells me the teacher's lounge really needs coffee. Finally, it's time for lunch. But there's only one hot dog. Let the duel commence. On guard! It's always the sausages that suffer in the end. Hot dog! It made the landing. And right near a dog. It can help. Slice it up, and now you can share. There's even a cute little dipping bowl. Uh-oh, there's an earbud missing. Good thing he's into that whole asymmetrical look. And the case will come in handy for a chocolate mold. Guess there's one for his other ear. And an extra. Here we go again. Oh no. Personally, I blame the teachers. I mean, they've been sleeping since we got here. We really need to do something before she really hulks out. Think another huggy-wuggy picture will help? Hot glue does everything. It even gets out red ink. Now it's an A+, and we didn't need to hack the school's computer system. Ah, the artist at work. Such a rare glimpse into the creative mind. Unfortunately, his model's unsatisfied with the end product. Hey, I already had a shower this morning. Good idea. Now he can draw to his heart's content. And without leaving any marks on the wall. Now the principal can practice her drawing too. By the looks of it, they need all the practice they can get. Got a free period. Time for some quality time with Huggy Wuggy. Oh no, Huggy Wuggy's defying gravity. Or he's just stuck. Maybe we can knock him down? Here's an idea. Hot glue a bunch of pencils to the bottom of your shoes. This should give you a slight height increase. These shoes will really help you leave your mark. Why walk when you can glide through life? Here's the culprit. He was stuck to some gum. Looks like someone got detention. To be fair, they said no talking, not no mani-pedis. That spreader is just the thing these markers need. Now you can write twice as fast. Though next time you should probably use a clean one. Is it time for an after-school snack already? Wait, I don't think that's food. Sticky notes? I wanted shrimp, or at least shrimp-flavored foodstuffs. Oh, and the row in this sushi looks like pins. Oh, please be real. It's a marker. At least we can use them together for our new bulletin board. Stupendous gadgets. Catch you next time.